Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing well. Part 2 of HUCK, the 67 Beetle. Let's get into this thing, shall we? So I made a recent discovery. Actually, I can't even take credit for it. My son Joshua made the discovery. What is it? No idea. I'm sure there's an archaeologist in the comments section. He can probably tell us what fossil that is. I did just make another discovery. That looks like a nice nest of some sort. So, what we're going to try to do today, how bad is this car? How bad is it? So I'm going to clean it out. We know it needs channels, we know it needs floors, but how bad is this car? This is actually good news back here. It looks like the luggage area was just cut out. So I've been out here just spraying all the frozen everything, latches. She's pretty seized, so lubricating everything. I'll go ahead and order another case of this. What's inside? Extra mirror. Oh, jackpot. Look at that. As I drop it into the mouse remnants. NOS. Bosch. That might actually be a real Bosch. Sure is. Nice. What else we got in here? Muffler clamps and washers. You all know what that is. Oil change gaskets. Some seals. Switches. Foreign accent tune-up parts. What do we got? New set of points or a used set of points? Looks like a used set of points. But you know, you always got to put the used stuff right back in the box and put it away for the next guy who might think it's new and get excited. Switch. Well, there you have it. We got all kinds of rotor caps, extra 6. I think that's 67 only. I don't know all my 67 only stuff. What else we got in here? Don't throw anything out. Well, I'm throwing that out. Where's our tool kit? There's our tool bag. Wow, that's an VW Nut and Dubworks are going to be going crazy. That's an NOS heater tube right there. Another heater tube. Got a fantastic. Oh, that was just lovely. Oh, Radio Shack. Radio Shack dual range. Who's the guy there? Who's that guy? Well, my neighbor just made some noise and he went ahead and woke up the yapper. Yep. Just gonna get rid of this. Unless you guys want this, I'm just gonna throw this out. We have a steering stabilizer. Yeah, don't breathe that in, guys. I think the spare tire well is actually good on this car. So, with this mat here, I'm hoping there's not a big rust hole. The mice tend to nest right here on like every car I bring home. So, if we could just... Here we go. Please, please. I see some rust. I see some rust, but I certainly own worse. Let's see what we got. See some nice blue paint. See some pretty solid. We got a few holes down here in the corners. The corners are going to be all rotted out too. Problem is, you can see they nested all up in here, and they completely relieved themselves all over my beautiful dash. Very disappointed. I gotta stop messing around and get to washing this thing. It's getting perfect time. I don't have to worry about getting any watermarks from the sun. So looking at the motor, I see a few things. We got an aftermarket carb, an aftermarket fuel pump. We're missing our dizzy. Our air cleaner is in the front. I haven't tried to turn it over. Doesn't even look like we have a dipstick. I'm gonna go ahead and I did notice this is not seized. That's a good sign. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some Marvel in there to get things soaking. I'll vacuum this all out. We'll pull the plugs, get those soaking. It's a B case. It's stamped B, but it's not like a B1600. It has no serial numbers. It's just B, and it might be a VW logo in front of the B. I'm not sure. Could be a rebuilt factory. Alright, well, I dropped the distributor in there in case this does turn. You don't want that turning the cog without a distributor. I'll get a little movement. Really like to have the cylinders lubricated. I did put some Marvel in to get down, but there's so much stuff packed in there that if I pull the plugs, I'm just not going to be able to get everything out, I don't think. She's turning. She doesn't sound good though. Oh, she doesn't sound good at all. I'm going to go ahead and a little more, and I'm going to dump some more Marvel. That's a good sign. She's turning. Take my phone and I'll take a picture and see how clean it is in there. I might pick it around and then hit it with the vacuum cleaner again. Alright, well, I took a picture of 3 and 4. I'm going to clean them out one more time with a pick. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some Marvel. Pull the plugs, put some Marvel down there. Well, I went ahead and sheeted and took a look at the oil. That doesn't look very good. See if it smells like fuel. Yeah. Looks a little, I'm just happy. I'm happy there's a dipstick in it. If you saw the motor before, you couldn't even see the dipstick. There was acorns and everything all above it. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. There's no oil in it, man. There is no oil in this thing. I wish I had checked the oil before lubricating all this. Yeah, she's bone dry. Well, what do you say we just fill it up with some oil, and next video we'll give her, see what happens. I'll get a distributor and we'll just give her, see what happens. That's what I say. I think these came out of the 1977 Bug. So we'll dump these in there. I don't know what this is. It'll be fine. Step 1, check the oil. Fail. Oh, perfect timing, the yapper's back. So I've spent enough time on this motor. I'm gonna wash this thing, clean out the inside. That way you can just play. I'll just play some music, and you won't have to listen to the yapper. But if you've watched the Musty 1 video, you had the hound dog. Well, now that, folks, that's the yapper. All right, good throttle cable. Good sign. Good sign. Things are looking up. Got a little more work to do before I can clay bar it. Huck is coming back. The good news is this seat was inside the garage, not inside the car. I'm just gonna go this way. Gonna go Oscar the Grouch style. Yeah, I see some new rust. Fantastic. Oh, that's nice. Somebody want to get the door? Great. Oh, pop outs, baby. Yeah. So many activities possible in a 67 Beetle with the rear window delete option. Hey guys, DT 125 is back. All my parts are in. Let me go grab them and I'll get you up to speed on the project. We got the new... Or not. Busty! Where you going with the DT?
Mine, all mine.
Oh man. Well, I guess you come back for your parts if you're taking the DT.